Have you ever wondered how to make amazing black and white photos? Today, we'll talk about how you can do it. First, let's talk about shooting in RAW. When you shoot in RAW format, your camera captures a lot of details. This helps you when editing because you can make more changes without losing quality. Next, think about lighting. Good lighting can make a big difference. Natural light is your friend here. Try taking photos near windows or outside on a cloudy day. This type of light helps create nice contrasts in your pictures. Speaking of contrast, it's really important in black and white photography. Look for scenes with strong light and dark areas. This will make your photos more dynamic and interesting. Now let's simplify the scene. Keep your composition simple. Avoid too many distractions. This way, the main subject of your photo stands out better. Texture is another key element. Textures like rough wood, soft fabric, or wrinkled skin can add depth to your photos. They become more noticeable in black and white. Filters can also help. Using red, yellow, or green filters can change how different colors turn out in black and white. This can enhance certain elements and make your photo more striking. Adjusting highlights and shadows is crucial too. During editing, tweak these settings to get the effect you want. It can make your photo look more dramatic or softer. Leading lines are great for drawing the viewer's eye. Use lines in your photo to guide where you want people to look. This makes your photos more engaging. Composition matters a lot. Use the rule of thirds. Imagine your photo divided into 9 equal parts by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Place your main subject where these lines intersect for a balanced composition. Don't be afraid to experiment with different angles. Move around your subject and try shooting from above, below, or the side. This can make your photos more unique. Capturing emotions can make your black and white photos very powerful. Look for moments with strong feelings, like joy, sadness, or surprise. These emotions will shine through in your photos. Using a tripod is a good idea too. It keeps your camera steady and helps you avoid blurry pictures, especially in low light. Editing thoughtfully is key. Convert your photos to black and white in post-processing. Adjust the contrast and brightness to make your image pop. Each photo might need different settings, so take your time. Hey, real quick, if you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, Phototech Guy, and share this video. Your support helps us bring more useful guides like this to you. Now, let's get back to the video. Consider your subject matter carefully. Some subjects look especially good in black and white, like old buildings, faces, or patterns. Choose subjects that will stand out in your photos. Finally, practice and experiment. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Try different techniques and see what works best for you. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They help you learn. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to creating stunning black and white photos. Remember to have fun and keep experimenting. The beauty of black and white photography is in its simplicity and the emotions it can convey. Keep practicing, and soon you'll see great results. That's it for today. Try out these tips, and you'll be capturing amazing black and white photos in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more photography tips and tutorials.